Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that came out this past week of the NBA All-Star Weekend. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it was a great overall weekend for the NBA. They had a great slam dunk contest, a good three-point contest, and the NBA All-Star game itself was pretty good. Team LeBron came back and beat Team Giannis. It was a good game, man. A lot of action-packed stuff was going on. But I got one of the shoes, man. I won it, man. But before we get into the shoe, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel. And also hit that like button. Let's try to get this video to 500 views and 40 likes. Follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you guys like any of this Penny for Your Thought merch that you see me wearing in any of these videos, you can see I have the white t-shirt on with the black letters. Jeans don't have deadlines tee. And I also have the P4YT hat on Army Fatigue brim with the white P4YT. Both of these things are available. So if you guys want to purchase, you guys can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. But enough with the talking. Let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. Retro 1 All-Star Women's Edition. Size 10, my size. Let's get right into it. You can see the whole shoe is patent leather pretty much. The only thing, got the nylon tongue, of course, like it has on usually every Retro 1. The navy blue nylon. Got the Nike head logo right here on the tip. Got the sky blue in the toe box. Outside of the toe box, navy blue patent leather. And the inside, I got the white patent leather with the navy blue swoosh, which is fire. Got the sky blue patent leather head, sky blue head, patent leather, navy blue up top. Flip it over to the inside, sky blue head, and the inside, you got the white patent leather with the navy blue swoosh, man. I think this shoe is a good representation of, what Jordan brand brought to the table last year with a lot of retro ones, man. They trying to keep it going in 2019. This All-Star pair is pretty dope, man. If you were able to get your size, or if you were able to fit it, you pretty much can get your hands on this shoe, man. This shoe is going for all different types of money on StockX. I seen the size 14 that's going for a lot of money. I'm not even gonna say the amount. You guys can go check. It's a crazy amount, man. I don't think anybody should ever want to spend that much money on the shoe. Well, at least anybody who's watching this video is not gonna want to spend that type of money on the shoe. But if you were lucky to get your hands on the size 14 or any of those bigger sizes like a size 13 or whatever, man, you're looking for, if you're gonna sell them, you're gonna have a big come up, man. So that's what you want to do. If you want it for the toe, keep it, man. I don't really sell too many shoes. I like to keep a lot of my stuff in my collection. I'm more of a get the shoe for your toe type of dude and wear your shoes, man, because that's what they made for, to wear your shoes. But pretty clean, man. Navy blue is my favorite color, so anything navy blue, I pretty much try to get my hands on at all times, man. The sky blue box is pretty dope. It pretty much represents, the state of North Carolina, and it's pretty dope, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this shoe, you think Jordan brand is overkill with the retro ones, man, leave it in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. I think this is just a clean look right here, man. You can do a lot of different things with these, and on top of that, Nike and pretty much every other sneaker brand do not come out with a lot of navy blue shoes. So if you're able to get your hands on them, and wear them, man. That's what they made for. But y'all know what time it is. I gotta rate this shoe, man, and out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe, this clean overall look, man, I'm gonna have to give this shoe 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man, because this shoe is clean, straight to the point. You could do a lot with this shoe. You could wear it in the summertime, you could wear it in the spring, the fall, any season. You could pull these out. As long as it's clear outside, man, you could pull these out, and pretty much they're not gonna get messed up, man. Patent leather is a great material. It doesn't get messed up. It does bend a little bit, so you're not gonna want to wear your shoes as much, but they do bend a little bit. It's a very clean shoe, man. I like it. I like what Jordan brand did here, man. They did a great thing with this, man. Well thought out, put together shoe. It represented North Carolina in the right way, and All-Star Weekend in the right way, man. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys think 4.5 was too much, man, leave it in the comments below. If you guys think you know, you didn't like the shoe, leave it in the comments below. We answer all comments and we get back to you guys, man. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.